Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the important previous year question from the chapter Structure of Atom. As we know, this chapter is very important for the NEET exam point of view. So from 2016 to 2024, what all are the questions they already asked, that only we are going to discuss. Are you ready guys? Yes, let's look about the questions please. This is the first question they asked in 2024. The energy of an electron in the ground state n equal to 1 for He plus ion is minus x joule. Then that of an electron in n equal to 2 for beryllium 3 plus ion in joule is. So that's a comparison question, energy related question. So we know the idea, energy of any electron in any orbit. Okay, I mean that means energy of any electron in the sense energy of any one electron containing system. That electron is anywhere in orbit. Okay, any of the orbit. The formula is energy of nth orbit. Okay, if the electron is in nth orbit for one electron containing system, energy is directly proportional to, I can write the equation, energy is directly proportional to z square by n square. Z square by n square. Okay, like that I can write. So here they are giving in the first statement they are giving the ground state, okay, n equal to 1 for helium plus. So for helium plus it may be He plus, okay, is directly proportional to its Z square, atomic number of helium plus, that is atomic number of helium is 2. So 2 square divided by its first shell only they are giving ground state n equal to 1. So this is 2 square by 1 square. Is it okay? 2 square by 1 square. Then again they are asking the question, then that of for an electron in n equal to 2 for beryllium 3 plus ion is. Okay, for beryllium 3 plus ion is. So I will write it is like that, E beryllium 3 plus is proportional to, okay, its atomic number is 4. So 4 square divided by, they are asking about what? The n equal to 2. Second shell they are asking. So that means that is 2 square. So I can divide these two proportionalities. So it will be like energy of helium plus divided by energy of beryllium 3 plus. Okay, energy of beryllium 3 plus, this proportionality will be become equal to, okay, equal to, this is 4 square by 1 square. So that I mean 2 square by 1 square, that is 4. Okay, 4 by 1 divided by, this one will be 16 by 4. 16 by 4, that is again, that is 4. So 4 by 1 by 4 means that is 1. So what's the meaning? Helium of He, I mean energy of helium plus, that will be equal to energy of beryllium 3 plus. I mean if that means energy of helium plus they already given in the question, what is that? Minus x joule. So this is equal to minus x joule itself. That means if the electron is in ground state of helium plus, its energy will be equal to the electron is in second, n equal to second, okay, first excited state of beryllium 3 plus. So that is minus x joule. So our answer is what? Option 1. Clear dears? So only the thing is that you must have to know the energy is directly proportional to z square by n square. That idea you have to keep it in mind. Then you have to apply it. You will get the answer. Okay. Yeah, proportionality is enough. Okay. So we can move to the next question. This is also they asked in 2024. This is a column matching question. Easy idea, basic idea they are asking. So match list 1 with list 2. In list 1, they given content numbers. In list 2, some information they provided. We have to match them. So they given first content numbers ml, that means magnetic content number. Then ms, spin content number. Then l means what? That is actually our azimuthal content number. Okay. Then n is the principal content number. So as we know, this magnetic content number actually give the details about the orientation of orbital in space. So we can write ml connect with the orientation of orbital, A connecting with 3. Is it okay? So A is connecting with 3. Like that, how many options are there? Option 3 is there as well as option 2 is there. A is connecting with 3. And ms, this is spin content number. that is actually give the direction of spin of electron, whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. That idea they are giving. So see, that's the one and only one experimentally determined quantum number. So that I can connect with the 4. Orientation of spin of electron. So B with the 4. B with the 4. Okay, B with the 4. Here also B with the 4. And L. L is actually subsidiary quantum number, or it is called azimuthal quantum number. It gives the shape of orbital. Shape of orbital. If it is L equal to 0 means S orbital, S subshell, L equal to 1 means what? P subshell. They will give the details about the shape of the subshell, shape of the orbital they will give. Okay. And N. N gives what? The size of the orbital it will give. So we can connect D with what? 2. So C with 1, C with 1 as well as D with what? 2. So option 2 will be the correct answer. So once we are doing this one, you just imagine this N is enough. N gives the size of the orbital. Okay, how much bigger your atom is. Okay, that idea N will give. Okay, more number of electrons are there means its size will be increases. Correct? So N gives the idea of size of orbital. So D connect with the 2. Only one option is there here. Only one option is there here. So that's actually what? Option 2. Clear, dears? Yes. So we can move to the next question. This is in question number next. This one they asked in 2023. So see, select the correct statement from the following. Okay, they given some statements. From that we have to check select the correct statement, which all are the correct statement in the given statements. Okay, that's the idea. First of all, we have to think. First, atoms of all elements are composed of 2 fundamental particles. Don't fall there. So 2 fundamental particles, wrong. 3 fundamental particles, proton, electron, neutron. 3 are there. They given it is 2. So that's a wrong statement. First statement is a wrong statement. Second statement, the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. Yes, exactly. That's correct. Second statement is correct. Then all the isotopes of given elements show same chemical property. Yes, exactly. Chemical property. Exactly. Because they are all of the elements, their properties are depends on what? Their atomic number. All the properties are actually depends on what? Atomic number. That only the modern periodic law. That idea, you know. So this statement also correct. This statement also correct. What about the next one? Fourth one. Protons and electrons are collectively known as nucleons. Wrong. Why? Protons and electrons. That is wrong. Protons and neutrons, they are actually belongs to nucleus. That's why they are called what? Nucleons. So this statement is correct. This statement is wrong. Next, Dalton's atomic theory regarded the atom as ultimate particle of matter. Yes, according to Dalton, he is telling like that atom is indivisible. That's the ultimate particle. Because of atoms only, the entire universe made up of. That was actually the Dalton's atomic theory. That also correct. So the second one, third one, as well as the fifth one, B, C as well as E are correct. So B, C, E only are correct. So option 4 is the correct answer. Clear, dears? Yes. So we can move to the next question. This is also they asked in 2023. So this is a easy question. If you know the concepts, you can easily answer it. The relationship between Nm. Nm, they simply given one number. Okay, Nm means the number of permissible value of magnetic quantum number. Okay, M. For a given value of azimuthal quantum number L is L and M. L and Nm. Nm means permissible values. Actually, how they are related? As we know the idea, if M, okay, M is actually the magnetic quantum number. That what's the permissible value of magnetic quantum number with respect to NL? This actually minus L to plus L including 0. That means how many values are there? Total how many values are there? Minus L to 0 means L. Okay. Then 0 to L means that also L. Then 0 means plus 1. So that means 2L plus 1 values are possible for this M. So that permissible value they given, that is Nm they given. That is Nm. Now they are calling it is Nm. That number is Nm. Okay. The magnetic moment possible values are minus L to plus L including 0. Then NM and L, how they are connecting. That's only the question. So from here we can understand that 2L equal to NM minus 1. So L equal to what? NM minus 1 by 2. So NM minus 1 by 2. Option A is the, option 1 is the correct answer. Clear, dears? Easy, easy. We can move to the next question. This is actually they asked in 2022. So see, that question once we are seeing, it's a big question, but once we break down into smaller things, it is easy. What about the first one? Identify the incorrect statement. Whenever you are reading the question, that time you have to keep it in mind whether they are asking correct or incorrect. Okay, so here they given incorrect. So we have to identify the incorrect statement. Here the first one, all the 5 4D orbitals have shapes similar to the respective 3D orbital. Yes, all D subshell, all D orbitals have what? All, 4D similar to the respective 3D orbital, their shapes are same. That means 3D XY and 4D XY, their shapes are similar. Size are different. Shapes are similar, size are different, but they are telling shapes are similar. If you are taking 3D Z square, 4D Z square, their shapes are similar. Size is different. Okay, keep it in mind. So that statement is correct. That is correct. All the 5 4D orbitals have shapes similar to respective 3D orbital. That's correct. Then next one, in an atom, all the 5 3D orbitals are equal in energy in free state. Exactly. 3D XY, 3D XZ, 3D YZ, 3D X square minus Y square, 3D Z square. Okay, that is actually 3D. Or any orbital, okay, that 5 orbital, they are actually called a degenerate orbital. They are having same energy. So that statement also correct. What about the third statement? The shapes of dxy, dyz, dzx orbitals are similar. Exactly, they are similar. They are similar. Their shapes are approximately almost similar. Okay, to each other, and dx square minus y square, dz square are similar to each other. That is wrong. That is wrong actually. Why? So see, you know the idea. Dx square minus y square is actually like this. This is the dx, this is y. So they are along the axis. This is dx square minus y square. Okay, dx square minus y square. But dz square is actually like this. Dz square is actually like this. It will move like this, then like this, like this. This is actually Druff-Nut shape. They are having Druff-Nut shape. Okay, the electron will move like this initially, then they will move. Then they will come to down like that only. Okay, so that's actually Druff-Nut shape. Okay, so they are not same. They are not same. But they are actually lying along the axis. Okay, so that statement is the incorrect statement. That's our answer. That's our answer. Identify the incorrect statement. So answer option is 3. And fourth one also, let's look. All the five 5D orbitals are different in size when compared to respective 4D. Exactly. Respective 4D and 5D, if you are comparing, their shape is same, but size are different. Okay, ready. So answer is what? Option is 3 is the incorrect one. This statement is correct. This statement, fourth one also correct. So we can go to the next one. Next question, guys. This is actually in question in 2022 they asked the question. In 2022 NEET they asked the question. See here, if a radius of second Bohr orbit of the helium plus ion is 105.8. In 2024 they asked about the what? Energy. In 2022 they asked about what? The radius. Okay, radius relation. What is the radius of third Bohr orbit of lithium 2 plus ion? So they are actually trying to compare lithium 2 plus radius of Bohr orbit as well as what? Helium plus radius of Bohr orbit. So the thing is that you have to remember the radius formula. So radius of electron in nth orbit is directly proportional to radius of electron in nth orbit is directly proportional to n square by z. That orbit, okay, orbit number divided by atomic number. That you have to remember. Okay, yeah. So here we can take the first case, helium plus. I will take the case of helium or helium plus. Okay, radius of helium plus is directly proportional to. They are talking about the second Bohr orbit of. That means n is equal to 2 square. N is equal to 2. So n square means 2 square divided by its atomic number of helium plus is 2. So 2 square by 2. Okay. Yeah. Then they are asking what's the radius of third Bohr orbit of lithium 2 plus. Third Bohr orbit of lithium 2 plus. So okay. See, radius of lithium 2 plus we have to calculate directly proportional to third Bohr orbit. Third Bohr orbit means 3 square. Lithium's atomic number is 3. Lithium's atomic number is 3. So I have to divide this 2. So before that you just make it simplify. 2 square by 2 means 2 only will be there. 3 square by 3 means 3 only will be there. So while I am dividing this one, it will be coming like R helium plus. Okay, radius of helium plus divided by radius of lithium 2 plus will be equal to, here 2 will be there, here 3. 2 by 3 will come. 2 by 3. Now they are asking us to find out radius of lithium 2 plus. So radius of lithium 2 plus equal to 3 by 2 times radius of helium plus given. So what's the radius of helium plus they given? That value they given, it is 105.8. Okay, 105.8 picometer they given. 105.8 picometer they given. So that means this is equal to 1.5 into 105.8. 1.5 into 105.8. So that is equal to, once you are multiplying this one, you will get the value 158.7 picometer you will get. Okay, 158.7 picometer you will get. So option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so this is they given in picometer. So that one, if you are multiplying again in picometer, you will get the answer. That's it. Clear? Ready? So the answer for this question is option 4. Clear, guys? So we can move to the next question, that is they asked in 2021. 2021. Let's look about the question. See, a particular station of All India Radio. Okay, this was the easy question among this all set. Okay, see, New Delhi broadcast on a frequency of, frequency they given. What's the frequency they given? New equal to 1368 kilohertz. Kilohertz means into 10 raised to 3 hertz. Okay, into 10 raised to 3 hertz. And they are asking the wavelength. Lambda they are asking. So see, this All India Radio, they are actually moving with a velocity they given, speed of light they given, c equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8. So what's the 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second? How I can connect nu, c, lambda? Nu is equal to c by lambda. Then they are asking lambda equal to c by nu. So that's equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 1368. 1368 into 10 raised to 3. Once you are solving this one, you will get exactly 219.3. The answer will be in meter. So option 1 will be the correct answer. So direct formula application. You need patience. You must have a calculation ability. Then you will get the answer. Is it okay? So don't forget the formula. Nu is equal to c by lambda for EM waves. Okay, keep it in mind. So we can move to the next question, guys. This is the next question they asked in 2020. This is again was an easy question. The number of protons, neutrons and electrons in lutetium 71, 175. Don't forget the order. Proton, neutron, electron. Okay, proton, neutron, electron. Okay, see, lutetium, that is 71, 175. So the atomic number is nothing. That is actually the number of proton. So number of proton equal to 71. Number of electron also will be same for a neutral atom. That also 71. What about the number of neutron? Number of neutron is equal to A minus Z. Mass number minus Z. Okay, atomic number. So that means 175 minus 71, 401. So 104 will come. So the proton, neutron, electron, that order, okay. That order you have to keep it in mind here. Everything they given like that only. So 71, 104, 71. 71, 104, 71. Option 3. Option 3. That order, whatever they are asking, that order we have to write. Students usually used to write, okay, proton, electron, neutron, 71, 71, 104. They will choose the option 1. It's wrong. Okay? Idea clear, guys? Yes. So we can move to the next question. This is the question they asked in 2019. 2019. What's the question? Orbital having 3 angular nodes and 3 total nodes. You know the concept of node? Node is the space around the nucleus where the probability of finding electron is minimum, 0 to 5%. The probability of finding electron is very minimum. That is what is called what? Nodes. There are 2 types of nodes that also you learn. Angular nodes as well as what? Radial nodes. 2 types of nodes. Planar node or spherical nodes. Okay. So that one, That related one question only they asked in 2019. What's the idea? Orbital having 3 angular node. So number of angular node equal to, we know the formula, number of angular nodes. Okay, angular nodes equal to L. Okay, the subsidiary quantum number value, that will be the number of angular nodes in a particular orbital. So that's equal to, they given how much? They given that is 3. And they given total nodes. What about the number of angular nodes? Number of radial nodes is equal to, number of radial nodes is equal to n minus L minus 1. Therefore, total nodes is equal to angular node plus radial node. That's equal to n minus L minus 1 plus L. This value also they given. N minus L minus 1 plus L. This value also they given 3. So this is 3. So L and L will get cancelled. So that means N minus 1 equal to 3. So N equal to 4. So we got the idea. N equal to 4, L equal to 3. N equal to 4, L equal to 3 is nothing. That is 4f orbital. So option 1 is the correct answer. Because L equal to 0, S. L equal to 1, P. L equal to 2, D. Correct? L equal to 3, F. So N equal to 4, L equal to 3 means 4F. Clear, guys? Yes. We can move to the next one. This is the question they asked again in 2019. What's the question? In hydrogen atom, the de Broglie wavelength of an electron in second Bohr orbit is. They actually try to relate de Broglie wavelength and radius. How we can connect the de Broglie wavelength and the radius? Simple idea. If the electron is in second Bohr orbit or nth Bohr orbit, okay, this is the nucleus. If the electron is in nth Bohr orbit, then its wavelength, okay, its circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi Rn. Okay, that will be equal to, in that orbit, n times wavelength will be there. N lambda equal to 2 pi Rn for nth orbit. So first orbit means 1 wavelength will be there. Second orbit means 2 times lambda will be there. Third orbit means 3 times lambda will be there. Like that we can connect. So here the question is, they are asking about the hydrogen atom, the de Broglie wavelength of electron in the second Bohr orbit. Meaning n equal to 2 lambda. Okay, 2 times lambda. Okay, 2 wavelength will be there. So 2 waves will be there. So into 2 pi into Rn means radius of second orbit. R2. 2 I can get cancelled. Then lambda equal to what? Pi into radius of any orbit. Radius of nth orbit is equal to, they already given. This is the formula, A0 into n square by z. So this A0 value they are given 52.9. So 52.9 into n square by z. That's the idea. So for second orbit, what will be the formula? Second orbit means 52.9 into n square. N square is how much? N square they are given second. Second means 2 square by z. Z means for hydrogen they are asking. So divide by 1. So that means 52.9 into 4. 52.9 into 4 if I am multiplying 52.9 into 4. Okay, 52.9 into 4 means 4 9s are 36, 3, 2, 4, 1 will come. So again 1 will be there, 5, 4, 20, 21. So 211.6 this much times pi. Okay, that is actually this much picometer will be there. So option 4 will come. Which one will come? Option 4 will come. So if you know the idea, n lambda is equal to 2 pi Rn. That will be the answer. What's the answer? So that will be the idea. That's the concept behind it. Clear? Yes. We can move to the next question, guys. This also they asked in 2019. What's the question? 4D, 5P, 5F, 6P orbitals are arranged in the order of decreasing energy. The correct option is. So we have to arrange in the decreasing energy. Nothing. They actually given 4D, okay, then 5P, then 5F, then what? 6P. They are asking us to arrange in the decreasing energy. Nothing to think, N plus L theorem. So N plus L value decreases, energy decreases. Or else N plus L value increases, energy increases. both have same n plus L value, then lower n value will be filled first. Lower n value will be having the lowest energy. That's the idea. Simple idea, n plus L theorem. So what's the n value here? N value is 4. L value is how much? For S0, P1, D is equal to 2. So L value is 2. So n plus L value equal to how much here? That's equal to 6 I will get. For D, n plus L value equal to 6. What about 5P? N value equal to 5. Okay, L value equal to how much? 1. So total n plus L value how much? 6 I will get. Here also n plus L value equal to 6. What about here? N value is equal to 5. What about L value? L value equal to 3. Because L equal to 0 S, L equal to 1 P, L equal to 2 D, L equal to 3 F. So while I am adding, I will get 8. N plus L equal to 8 I will get. Okay dears. And here n value equal to how much? 6. What about L value? L value equal to 1 I will get, because L value equal to 0 means that is S orbital, L value equal to 1 means P orbital. So total while I am adding, n plus L value equal to how much I will get? 7 I will get. Now see what's the idea? They are asking the decreasing energy, meaning the one with higher n plus L value will be having high energy. So which is having high n plus L value? 5F. So 5F is having high energy. Then after that which one will come? Here 6, 6, 8, 7. Then 6P will come. 6P will come. After that which one will come? Both of them have same n plus L value. 6, 6. Out of that which one will have high energy? The one with more n value. So that means here both have same n plus L value, but here n value is 5, here n value is 4. This one will have high energy. So then 5P. Then after that which one will come? 4D will come. So let's look about the option. 5F, 6P, 5P and 4D. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay guys. So patiently you try to solve. You will get the answer. Okay. Yeah. We can move to the next question guys. This is the question they asked in 2018. It's a very important question. Okay. It's a very important question. Here you see which one is a wrong statement. They are asking about wrong statement. First one, the value of m for dz square is 0. Yes. M for dz square is how much? 0 only. That statement is correct. So orbital, actually the magnetic quantum number for each orbital, they are assigning one value. For dz square, m value is 0. That's correct. That statement is correct. The electronic configuration of nitrogen atom is, this is the electronic configuration they given. This is actually wrong. According to Hund's rule, it is wrong. First they have to be singly occupied, then only pairing will occur. So here see, here this one may be either 1s2, okay, that is fine. Then 2s2, that also fine. But 1s, 2s, but once 2p is filling means everything should be fill in the same. If it is clockwise means this will be clockwise, this will be clockwise. This is 2p order. Okay, or else it should be like what? 1s, okay, 1s, then 2s, then 2s, okay, then everything should be in anti-clockwise. No problem. Like that. That also no problem. But here 2 are in clockwise, another one is in anti-clockwise. That is wrong. So this is the correct answer, which is the wrong statement. And option 3 also we can read, an orbital is designated by 3 quantum numbers. Exactly, one orbital is designated by 3 quantum numbers, n, l and m. Okay, while an electron in an atom is designated by 4 quantum number. If an electron in that orbital, particularly whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, that is designated by what? 4 quantum numbers. S also we required. That means spin quantum number also we required. And what about the fourth one? Total orbital angular momentum of electron in S orbital is equal to 0. That is correct. That is root of L into L plus 1. So that once we are doing L equal to 0, if we are giving means that value is equal to how much we will get. That total value will be 0. That's correct. That statement is correct. Okay, angular momentum, total angular momentum is 0. That's correct. So what's the correct option for here, which is the wrong statement means? Wrong statement is 2. That is the correct statement. We can move to the next question. This in 2017 they asked. Okay, what's the question? Which one is the wrong statement? Here also wrong statement they are asking. Okay, what about the question? De Broglie wavelength is given by lambda equal to h by mv. Exactly. According to De Broglie, the wave nature can be measured by using wavelength. Lambda is equal to h by mv, where m is equal to mass of the particle and v is equal to velocity of the particle. That statement is correct. And the uncertainty principle, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, it is impossible to determine simultaneously both the position and momentum of moving microscopic particle like electron with accuracy. Accurately, we cannot find out. We cannot find out the position of moving microscopic particle. That's not possible. Okay, position and velocity together. That's not possible. So that we can either write it as delta x into delta p greater than or equal. There's an uncertainty will be greater than or equal to h by 4 pi, or else we can write it as delta x into m delta v greater than or equal to h by 4 pi, or else we can write what? Delta E, energy change, into delta t, time change, greater than or equal to what? H by 4 pi. This all are same. This delta x into delta p, the same dimension, only delta E into delta t. Energy into time, position into momentum, both are same dimension. Okay, dimensionally you can check it. Okay, yeah, both are same. That also correct. Then half-filled and fully filled orbitals have greater stability due to greater exchange energy. Exactly, because of symmetry, they can exchange here and there. Okay, that's why D5, D5, D10, okay, like that, fully filled D10 as well as what? P3, P6, have extra stability, more balanced arrangement, symmetry is there. That's correct, exactly. What about the fourth statement? So these 2 and 3 are correct. What about the fourth one? The energy of 2s orbital is less than the energy of 2p orbital in case of hydrogen-like atoms. Wrong. Wrong. Hydrogen is containing only one electron. One electron containing species have one orbit have same energy. One orbit containing all orbitals have same energy. So first orbit have one energy. Second orbit means 2s and 2p have same energy. 3s, 3p, 3d have same energy. Okay. If it contain only one electron means their energy level is accordingly only arranged. Okay. So the fourth statement is the wrong statement. That's actually the correct answer for us. They are asking us to find out the wrong statement. So the fourth statement. Okay. Yeah. We can move to the next question, guys. This is the question they asked in 2016. Which of the following pairs of d orbitals will have electron density along the axis? That we know. Dx square minus y square, dz square. They are actually along the axis. Dxy, dzx, dyz. They are actually in between the axis. Okay, that means along the plane. That we know, simple question. Okay, I can move to the last one. This is the last question. What's the question? How many electrons can fit in the orbital for n equal to 3, n equal to 3, L equal to 1? That means this n equal to 3 means third shell and L equal to 1 means 3p. So 3p subshells means that contain 3 orbital. Each orbital can accommodate how many electrons? 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Total how many electrons they can accommodate? Total 6 electrons they can accommodate, dears. That's all about the question. We discussed from 2016 to 2024. So you have to go through the questions properly. That the same kind of question only they are going to ask in this year as well as next year always. Okay. So don't want to worry about it. So I will come with another video of another chapter. Up to that, thank you.